Guys, I'm gonna make a video. I'm just really sick. I'm not sick, it's just I just have a sore throat and a throat. Stuffy nose. It's not worse than just dying in a hall. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna die right now. Sorry. Oh, I need a tissue or something. Sorry, I'm back. What is the point of this game if they just evolve versus bites? God dang it! I swear! What's the point of this freaking game? Please, someone tell me what is the point of this game? There's nothing! Nothing! I mean, I swear, people care more about versus bikes to just meeting new friends, having fun, and dealing with it, and not caring about betas so freaking much. I swear. What's the point of this freaking game? What do you want from me, game? All I just do is just call AJ to HQ just to give them rares. I don't do that, because I stay happy of what I have, and I be thankful. I be thankful that I play this freaking game, and I have freaking friends. Because I'm not a freaking loner like everybody. Sorry, I just don't really know what the point of the game is. I mean, all the people care about rare spikes. Like, trade me this, trade me that. I swear I'm gonna kill somebody. But never this drama or whatever I go through. Because I just don't know what to do. I haven't been a drama queen enough. That's my sister. Everything that I do is funny. Oh, trade me this. And I'm like, what the fuck? I get you to be happy what you have. I swear. Not kill somebody. And now go be happy. I don't want to kill anybody. Go get yourself a job. Me. Hold me. Hold me. My goodness. Oh, come on. I want that computer. Hey, but I have the computer first. I never get anything. I asked for a booster. I don't know what colors I should use. This is boring. I need something to do in my life instead of just playing AJ all day. AJ is not healthy. It's not good for my health. That's not me. It looks like my next freaking mistake. My life's a game. Do you want to help me, please? Someone help me with my life. Ugh. Man, banana peels. This really stinks right now. Erica, I'm recording, and it looks like nobody cares. I probably don't even care, Daisy. Daisy! You need to look at me, girl. Please. Don't you understand my feelings of what I'm going through? Please, Daisy. You're not. Daisy understands. Whatever. I swear, I'm gonna kill somebody. Sorry, I'm supposed to be tired. I should probably do a triathlon by now, but I need something to use. Instead of Camstead. Because Ken says it doesn't work. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna have to end this right now. I'm really stressed. So I don't feel like recording right now. I'm really sorry, but bye.